Another day, another story. The mighty bison, kings of the plains. Introduction. Camera fades into a sweeping aerial view of a vast grassland landscape with a small group of bison grazing in the foreground. Host, H. Hey there, nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of North America's wild plains to explore a magnificent and iconic creature, the bison. I'm Uncharted Animal Realms, and in this video, we're going to unravel the fascinating world of these massive herbivores, their history, behavior, and their impact on the ecosystem. So, grab your binoculars and let's embark on this bison adventure. Part 1. The bison's historical significance. Cut to the host standing against a backdrop of historical images and sketches depicting bison. H. Before we delve into the present, let's rewind the clock. The bison, also known as buffalo, have deep-rooted cultural and historical significance for indigenous people and settlers alike. Native American tribes revered these creatures for their sustenance, clothing, and tools. Sadly, their population drastically declined due to overhunting in the 19th century. Thankfully, conservation efforts have brought them back from the brink. Part 2. Anatomy and characteristics. Transition to close-up shots of a bison's features, such as its massive head, hump, and shaggy coat. H. Now, let's take a closer look at the bison's unique features. These magnificent creatures can weigh up to 2,000 pounds and stand over 6 feet tall at the shoulders. Their hump, composed of muscle, helps support their massive head. Their thick fur provides insulation against harsh weather, and those impressive horns can span up to 2 feet. Part 3. Bison behavior and social structure. Cut to footage of a bison herd grazing and interacting in the wild. H. Bison are highly social animals, often forming herds that can number in the hundreds. These herds are usually led by a dominant male, also known as the bull. They have a fascinating communication system involving vocalizations, body language, and even rolling in dirt or wallowing to mark territory. Part 4. Ecological impact. Switch to footage of bison grazing in different landscapes. H. Bison aren't just charismatic megafauna, they're also ecosystem engineers. Their grazing behavior shapes the vegetation, benefiting various plant and animal species. Their hooves aerate the soil, aiding plant growth, and their feeding patterns help create a mosaic of habitats that supports diverse wildlife. Part 5. Conservation success and challenges. Show images of bison in conservation areas. H. The story of bison conservation is one of success and ongoing challenges. Thanks to dedicated efforts, their population has rebounded, and they've been reintroduced into protected areas. However, habitat loss, disease, and genetic diversity remain concerns that conservationists are working hard to address. Conclusion. Return to the host, standing in a grassy plain with bison in the background. H. And there you have it, folks. The bison story is one of resilience, cultural significance, and ecological importance. As we continue to protect their habitat and support conservation efforts, we ensure that these mighty creatures continue to roam the plains for generations to come. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with fellow nature enthusiasts. 10 Fact about bison. Of course, here are 10 interesting facts about bison. 2 bison species. There are 2 main species of bison: the American bison, bison, and the European bison, Bison bonasus, also known as the wisent. The American bison is found in North America, while the European bison primarily inhabits parts of Europe. Size and weight. Bison are among the largest land animals in North America. American bison can weigh up to 2,000 pounds, 900 kilograms, or more and stand around 6 feet, 1.8 meters, tall at the shoulder. Distinctive hump. Both male and female bison have a hump over their shoulders, composed of powerful muscles that help support their massive heads. This hump is less pronounced in the European bison. Social behavior. Bison are social animals that often live in herds. These herds are usually led by a dominant male, known as a bull. Females and their offspring also form smaller groups within the herd. Vocalizations. While bison are generally quiet animals, they do make various vocalizations. These can include grunts, snorts, and bellows, which they use to communicate with each other, especially during mating season. Dust bathing. Bison often engage in wallowing, a behavior where they roll in the dirt or mud. This serves multiple purposes. It helps them remove parasites, protects their skin from insects, and leaves a scent trail to mark territory. Migratory history. Historically, bison participated in seasonal migrations across vast distances, following the availability of food. These migrations helped shape the landscapes they inhabited. Ecosystem engineers. Bison play a vital role in shaping ecosystems. Their grazing behavior influences the structure of grasslands, creating a diverse mix of plant species that, in turn, supports other wildlife. Conservation success. American bison were once on the brink of extinction due to overhunting and habitat loss. Thanks to conservation efforts, their populations have increased, and they are now considered a conservation success story. National Mammal of the United States. In 2016, the American bison was designated the national mammal of the United States, symbolizing the country's commitment to preserving its natural heritage. Remember, bison are incredible animals with a rich history and significant ecological impact. Learning about them helps us appreciate their importance in our world. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.